Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting smart. First, verify the network so you don't chase ghosts. Open a browser and load a page. If that fails, reboot the router. Once done, set Windows to use automatic date and time because certificate checks rely on correct time. Make sure you're signed into the same Microsoft account that the store uses. Sign out and back in if needed. These first fixes resolve most check your connection errors quickly and set the stage for deeper steps. Now you'll tackle the middle steps that often fix persistent problems. Run WS reset. EXE to clear the store cache. You'll see a blank command prompt, then the store relaunch. Next, run the Windows Store app's troubleshooter so it can detect and auto-fix configuration issues. If you use a proxy or VPN, disable it briefly because tunneling can block store access. Test the store without it. Also verify background services like Windows Update and Microsoft Store Service are running so the app can authenticate and download. Finish by repairing or reinstalling the store app. Go to Apps, find Microsoft Store, choose Repair or Reset. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall via PowerShell. Make sure Windows is fully updated and then reboot so system components sync. If problems persist, create a new local user account and test the store there to rule out a corrupt profile. One key tip: if none of this works, note any error codes and perform a clean boot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.